Good morning, students. Let us start our today's class. In our last class, I have uploaded some numericals related to electrical energy and power. Today also we will discuss some more numericals related to the same topic. Now first numerical is two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and other 40 watt at 220 volt, are connected parallel to 220 volt main supply. Calculate the current drawn from the supply line. Now we know all electrical appliances in our household are connected in parallel combination, and they are connected across the same potential difference. As they are connected in parallel, all electrical appliances are connected across the same potential difference. Here two lamps are connected, one with rated 100 watt to 20 volt and another one is 40 watt to 20 volt. So here, to calculate their resistance, we will use P equals to V square by R, that is power equals to square of the potential difference by resistance. Using this relation, we can calculate the resistance of each lamp. So, resistance of first lamp R1 equals to V square by P1, where P1 is the power of the first lamp, that is 100 watt, and here potential difference is 220 for both lamp. So just substituting the value, we will get R1 equals to 484 ohm. Now for second lamp, power is 40 watt and potential difference is same, that is 220 volt, and resistance R2 equals to V square by P2, that is 220 square by 40. So R2 we will get 1210 ohm. In next step, we will calculate the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of these two lamps. So for that we will use the formula 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now just we will substitute the value of R1 and R2 in this equation, and after calculating we will get the equivalent resistance R equals to 345.7 ohm. Now using Ohm's law, we can calculate the current drawn from the supply line. Here I equals to V by R. Just substituting the value of V and R, we will get current drawn I is equals to 0.63 ampere. Here you have to remember this. This current is flowing through the external circuit, not through the each lamp. If we want to calculate the current flowing through each lamp, that we have already solved this type of problems for parallel combination of resistance. For that we have to calculate in a different way, but this current is drawn by the two lamps in the external circuit. Now let us discuss second numerical. Number of electric lamps designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply are rated 10 watt each. Calculate the number of lamps that can be connected in parallel to each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. Now see here, potential difference V is equals to 220 volt and power P equals to 10 watt and I is 5 ampere. Now resistance of each lamp, we can calculate this using the relation R equals to V square by P. Here V is 220 and power P is 10 watt. So resistance R we will get 4840 ohm. Now let us consider N is the number of lamps connected in parallel, each of resistance capital R. Therefore, Equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of n lamps is R prime equals to R by n. This formula already we have learned that if n number of same resistance are connected in parallel combination, their equivalent resistance will be R by n. So here R equals to 4840 ohm. Now using Ohm's law, V equals to IR prime, we will just substitute the value of potential difference, that is V equals to 220 volt. Here current is I equals to 5 ampere and R prime is equals to 4840 by n. Just we will substitute all the values and we can calculate the number of resistance. Here n equals to 110. So 110 lamps can be connected in parallel to each other across the two wires of 220 volt lines. Clear? Now let us discuss one more numericals. Number 3. An electric lamp is marked 100 watt to 220 volt. It is used for 5 hours daily. We have to calculate first its resistance while glowing and second energy consumed in kilowatt hour per day. Now here power of the lamp, each lamp P equals to 100 watt, which are connected across potential difference V equals to 220 volt and time period is 5 hours. We have to calculate the resistance and the energy consumed. Now to calculate the resistance of the lamp, we will use P equals to V square by R. From this relation we can write R equals to V square by P. Here just substitute the value of V and P and what resistance you will get? R equals to 4084 ohm. Thus resistance of electric lamp while glowing is equals to 484 ohm. Next we will calculate the energy consumed. Now energy equals to power into time and here power is 100 watt and time is 5 hour. So energy equals to 100 into 5 watt hour, that is 500 watt hour. Now practical unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour. So we have to convert watt hour into kilowatt hour. And we know 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1000 watt hour or 10 to the power 3 watt hour. So 1 watt hour is equals to 1 by 1000 or 10 to the power minus 3 kilowatt hour. So here to convert watt hour to kilowatt hour, we have to divide the numerical value by 1000 and here we will get the electric energy consumed per day is equals to 0.5 kilowatt hour. Now next I am giving one classwork for you. The first numerical what we have already discussed today, the same numerical you can solve with a different method. Okay, so just try to solve the same problem in a different way. Basic relations all are same, but a different method is there where you can solve this problem. Try to solve this and try to submit this during the class hour. Now this much is for today. Thank you.